Club is the club for incubating astronomical knowledge to the students who are interested to know what's happening in the universe which is visible to non-source of observatory. It is the initiative of Department of Physics, Bajaj College of Science, Wardha of the academic session 2017-18. The objective is to inspire students and others to know more about the world around the earth. Also, it is an effort to make social awareness about the facts and findings of the astronomy, to develop atmosphere for proper sky observation, to have an introductory and expert lectures by the eminent personality on astronomy, to have sky observation by indigenous fabricated telescope from in and out campus sites.
I joined Department of Physics of Bajaj College of Science in February 2017. And I was having in my mind to start something new. A new from Department of Physics to Bajaj College of Science. Should benefit students, not in the curriculum way, and also it should be something which is more curious. You should have all qualities of curiosity, research, exploration. And whenever we think about it, we go for the one way which we know best. And I started asking physics. This idea didn't arise in my mind at the moment I joined this college, but this idea was since my postgraduate. There we were having Astro Club, which was the initiative of Dr. Ahmed, a very amateur astrophysics. So what I thought was, why should not I borrow Astro Club idea from Department of Physics, Nagpur University to Department of Physics, Bajaj College of Science. And luckily, I got a very nice or very active first year students. And with the help of those first year students, along with second year and final year students, we started as And one more good thing was, we were having a 3-inch refractor telescope, which was provided by Government of India to observe Comet Halley. So one good thing was with us, but as it was a refractor telescope, we were having certain restrictions, or we were having certain issues. Whenever we talk about refractor telescopes, there are many aberrations. So there are many defects. So we have to overcome those defects. And hence we thought of Newtonian telescope. Because in Newtonian telescope we are not using the phenomena of refraction, but we are using the phenomena of reflection. This can be simply explained by the term that whenever we see through a lens, the light passes from one medium to the another medium and then again to the first medium. Using those entry level fee, we have to construct a good club which will be beneficial for coming generations or coming students, new batches. And now, as I said that we were planning for a reflector telescope. So the costing of reflector telescope as seen on the websites and other instrument providers was around 60,000. And here was great distress for our project, because we were not having the funding of 60,000 at the first year itself. So what we thought was, instead of procuring a telescope, why should not we make it? So the first thing what we have done was forming a committee for making of telescope. And these 9 students came forward to make this telescope. They were very enthusiastic. They were hardworking. So I was not having any doubt that they will fail in their task. The main issue was how to make this telescope in a budget of 30,000 or at the maximum 35,000, because that was our collections. So that was the main issue. So then we have searched for many videos, online videos. So we started searching for the personnel, but for the person who is best in making telescope. And here we were blessed.
So this was the first time for us to participate in such an innovative workshop. And to build the telescope, we had a Kishore Wankere sir who guided us throughout the workshop.
We approached him and we just told him that we are having this constraint and we want to make telescope. They asked us what is the diameter, what will be the diameter of the telescope. And after discussing with him, we finalized that we should make 8-inch reflector telescope.
On the first day of our workshop, Wankere sir came to visit and guide us about telescope fabrication. He actually helped us a lot by discussing very important and basic things about telescope. He has been a part of many search workshops and his experience was the first stepping stone for us. In his lecture, he discussed the type of telescopes, that is, reflector and refractor, with their focal lengths, types of mountings, types of eyepiece holder, rock and pinion, full push type, screw model. He also discussed model for mirror cell, diagonal cell, and at the end of his lecture, we were clear with our ideas and what our next step should be.
So in the very first year of our college, we got a chance to be one of the active member of Astro Club. And then we had an idea to do something technical, such that we could set a milestone for the coming batches and give something beneficial to our college. So we formed a group of 9 enthusiastic members, and finally in November 2017, our work took a start.
As we had decided to distribute the work among us, we 3 girls decided to make the mounting for the telescope. So we found the basic types of mountings used, which were equatorial, alpha-azimuth, Dobsonian and fork mounting. To overcome this difficulty, we took it to the internet and searched a lot about Dobsonian mounting and its variations. So one fine day, we found a Dobsonian variation which was light in weight and very much easy to build. It was a type in which cradle boxes were completely removed and instead 2 cradle wheels were directly attached to the pipe. So the construction was as such that we have 2 cradle wheels directly on the pipe and it was completely placed on the base of the mounting. The only thing which was between the cradle wheels and our base was Teflon pads, which were only used to reduce the play and shock effects. In this way, our Dobsonian mount was ready.
As the dimensions were decided earlier, we called upon the carpenter to the laboratory and got the mounting pieces cut in required sizes and shape. Not only this, but also the bearing, mirror cell and diagonal cell were cut properly. We painted and dried the mounting, mirror cell and diagonal cell.
जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ बनाने के लिए हमें कई चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है। ठीक उसी प्रकार टेलीस्कोप बनाने के लिए भी हमें कई चीज़ों की ज़रूरत होती है, जैसे प्लाईवुड फॉर माउंटिंग, पाइप, स्क्रू, नट्स, ऑप्टिकल किट। अब यह सब चीज़ें तो हमें आसानी से उपलब्ध हो गई थी मार्केट में, लेकिन समस्या यह थी कि हमें 10 इंच का पाइप नहीं मिल रहा था। अब बड़ी कठिनाइयों के बाद हमने उन्हें बहुत जगह ढूंढा, तो उसमें बहुत सारी कठिनाई। तो बड़ी कठिनाइयों के बाद हमें आखिरकार वो पाइप मिल गया और फिर यहाँ से हमारा शानदार सफर शुरू हुआ टेलीस्कोप बनाने का और यह हमारे लिए एक शानदार अनुभव रहा।
Further, the team covered inside of the tube with 1 layer of black paint and a layer of charcoal dust. This is done to minimize the internal reflection of light. After all the parts dried of the mounting, we assembled it.
My work was to fabricate and assemble the mirror cell in the telescope. Mirror cell is the most important part in the telescope. That mirror cell we made for our telescope is made up of 2 circular plywood. मिरर सेल बनवण्यासाठी आम्ही 2 प्लायवूडच्या सर्क्युलर प्लेट्स घेतल्या. एका प्लेट्सची डायमीटर आहे 8 इंच आणि दुसऱ्या प्लेटची डायमीटर आहे 9 इंच. समजा ही 9 इंच डायमीटरवाली प्लेट आहे आणि ही 8 इंच डायमीटरवाली प्लेट आहे. तर या 9 इंच डायमीटर प्लेटच्या सेंटरमधून आम्ही एक राऊंड हेडेड बोल्ट प्लेस केला आहे इथे. त्यामुळे काय होतं आहे की एक हेमिस्फेअर फॉर्म होत आहे या 9 इंच प्लेटवर आणि त्यावर 8 इंच डायमीटर असलेली प्लेट आम्ही प्लेस केली आहे आणि याच्यावरती तो मिरर अटॅच आहे. म्हणजे काय होईल की आपल्याला ज्या डिरेक्शनमध्ये या मिररला मूव्ह करायचं आहे या प्रकारे आपण त्या प्रकारे याला मूव्ह करू शकतो.
So in mirror, the light is first of all transferring through the glass which is above that mirror, and then it is refracting, going to the back side of the glass where the coating of either silver or mercury is there, and from there is reflecting. So we are having refraction as well as reflection in those mirrors. But this mirror which we are using for our reflector telescope is the first surface coated mirror. A surface coated mirror means the above surface of the glass is coated with either aluminum or silver, depending upon the requirement. Due to this, the light is not transferring from one medium to the other medium. It is playing, or it is reflecting from the one medium to again to the same medium. So we are having much benefits of this reflecting telescope over refractor telescope.
अब इन सब अरेंजमेंट के बाद हमें जरूरत थी आईपीस होल्डर की। अब आईपीस होल्डर हमें ऐसा चाहिए था जो हमारे बजट में फिट हो सके और टेलीस्कोप में भी फिट हो सके। तो हमने आईपीस होल्डर को बहुत जगह ढूंढा पर हमें वो कहीं नहीं मिला। आखिरकार हमने बहुत सोचने के बाद एक आइडिया लगाया। हमने उसे फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट के स्क्रैप में ढूंढा, तो बहुत ढूंढने के बाद आखिरकार वो हमें मिल गया। तो फिर हमें ऐसा आईपीएस होल्डर मिल गया जो हमें बजट में, तो मतलब बजट का सवाल ही नहीं उठता था वहाँ पे, लेकिन हमारे टेलीस्कोप में आराम से वो फिट हो चुका था। तो इस तरह हमारी सारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स खत्म हो गई और हमारा टेलीस्कोप हो गया तैयार।
On 14th November 2017, the final screw of telescope was screwed in the evening itself around 5:30. The excited team took the telescope to the terrace and focused the telescope on Saturn for the first time.
In our way to success, we faced many hurdles to which we were unstoppable. Budget issues, instrument inavailability were some of them. But with the support of our Honorable Principal Sir and Faculty of Physics Department, we were able to complete our work. And finally, now we had 8-inch reflector telescope after a hard work of 1 month. This feeling of bliss is really inexpressible. I can just say the Josh is
Special thing I want to share is that this is the very first telescope ever fabricated in any college of Varda city. Not only that, we cut the manufacturing cost to about 50% of the market value. So we can say this was the budget efficient workshop for us.
So we take this opportunity to thank all of them who were part of our team and help us to complete our project, including our principal Dr. Om Mahodaya, our mentor Wankhede sir and Diple sir, and all the laborers who helped us to complete this. With this, I would say we have completed our 8-inch reflector telescope and we are blessed to have it with us. So guys, victory to our success?
Yes!